Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to find the gallery app on the Redmi A5. Now, if you cannot find the gallery app on your home screen or on the app drawer, just go to your home screen and open the Play Store app. Now from here in the search bar, just search Google Photos. Now just install this app on your smartphone. Now it will take a few seconds to install this app on your smartphone, and once this app is fully downloaded, just tap on open. Now from here just tap on allow all. Now just tap on get started. Now just tap on allow and tap on the X icon at the upper left corner on the display. Now as you can see, this is how you can find the gallery app on your smartphone. And also there is another way to find the gallery app on your smartphone. Just go to your home screen and open the app drawer. Now from here just scroll down and tap on the Files app. Now just tap on Allow. From here if you tap on Images, you can open the images on your Files app. Now if you go back and if you tap on Videos, you will open the Videos section on your Files app. And this is how you can find the gallery app on the Redmi A5. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.